Sequent Real-Time Decision Solutions. The Sequent go-to market strategy consists of helping our end-user customers get a better return on their industrial software capital investments by building a bridge to their human capital and the platforms and devices they wish to communicate on. This video will explore our wireless alarm and event notification solutions that build a software bridge between industrial automation systems and communication devices. Leveraging our industrial software input partners and our hardware communication output partners, our platform is the most scalable notification solution on the market. Our products will receive alarm and event information from these data sources and distribute them to predefined recipients through a wide range of communication devices. Our wireless alarm and event notification portfolio is comprised of two products that can be used separately or together to provide end users with an innovative plant or communication solution. The First Page product line provides a manual and automated messaging platform that sends near real-time information to messaging devices. Data is sent to the First Page server to be analyzed and dispatched to the appropriate output device. First Page provides a centralized interface that supports telecommunications service providers or in-house messaging systems and supports unlimited providers, destinations, and distribution lists. First Page publishes text and voice data in real time from multiple sources to a wide range of communication devices. The core of the First Page product family is the First Page server, which provides a centralized interface to multiple messaging providers and implements distribution lists, scheduling, queuing, automated failover provider paths, and connection management. The First Page Administrator and Web Administrator products provide a full suite of admin tools that can be managed locally or remotely from any browser on any device. The First Page Client and Web Client offer a manual messaging interface available as Windows or web-based application. First Page gateways provide a path for external data to flow into the First Page server for publication. Links enable text or voice dispatch to devices hosted in complex communication networks or proprietary systems. Portals allow end users to control the state of their device and remotely access distribution lists. The First Page Alarm Manager product line manages the entire lifecycle of alarms and events and dispatches notifications to communication devices in real time. When an alarm or event takes place, First Page Alarm Manager sends the data to the first responder and will automatically escalate through a predefined hierarchy until it is acknowledged. First Page Alarm Manager offers automatic alarm escalation, import and export capabilities that allow easy mask configuration and reconfiguration, and enable multiple applications to send messages to the same device. The First Page Alarm Manager server manages alarms sourced from one or more external systems and automates the message composition and escalation process. Administrator and Web Administrator allow for secure local or remote management of the First Page Alarm Manager server. First Page Alarm Manager console provides a window into the current status of all active alarms. Gateways provide a bridge between external data or alarm sources and the First Page Alarm Manager server. First Page Alarm Manager probes offer a hardware appliance designed to confirm SMS and carrier operation as well as email operation. Sequent provides the most robust and scalable solutions on the market that offer the ultimate connectivity, interoperability, and reliability. So if you want to increase productivity, quality, and profitability, contact us today. Call, email, or visit our website for more information. Thank you.